Welcome to the new crafting and interest-focused video. In this video, we will unveil the art of creating beautiful tissue paper flowers. Layering the paper. Start by stacking up to 20 layers of crepe paper or tissue paper in a circle. The more layers, the fuller your flower will be. Stapling the center. Secure the layers together by stapling them at the center point. Carefully peel back one layer of paper at a time, creating petal-like shapes as you go. Continue until you have shaped all the layers into a beautiful flower. Creating the stem. Craft a sturdy stem using old newspaper. Simply fold and roll it into a stick-like form. Using a glue gun, firmly attach the stem to the bottom of your paper flower. If you are as passionate about paper crafts as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and join our crafty community, and let's create together.